Well, yesterday the market also slipped, so it would be difficult to time and say that yes, the stock fell because of the mess that we have seen. But yes, revenue and EBITDA have come in around 3 to 5% below what the street was estimating. Apart from that, the bigger concern is that the company's average selling price, now that declined around 3% on a sequential basis. While this was despite the fact that there was a higher mix of premium motorcycles in its sales, and its peers like Bajaj, Eicher and TVS have seen either flat numbers or a 4% growth on a sequential basis. So despite that, Hero Moto has seen a drop of nearly 3%, so that is more concerning. Now this could be potentially indicating the fact that there could be discounts that might have been continued in the channel. There might be higher channel inventory for the company because in the last 3 months we have seen that wholesale volumes have exceeded the retail volume, so that is a bigger concern coming in for Hero Moto. Apart from that, the company's gross margin also declined around 130 basis points on a sequential basis, while its peers have reported an improvement on a sequential basis. So these two bigger concerns are there for Hero Moto from the first quarter numbers. Now the company will be holding the conference call today at 10:30. So the key thing to watch out from the conference call would be the inventory levels that the company is currently seeing. How are they seeing the gross margin improvement going forward? What are their plans when it comes to the Extreme 125, Maverick 440 and Davidson X440? And apart from that, what are the new launches that they have planned? Because there has been a lot of time. Last launch from Hero Moto has been after the last launch that Hero Moto had done was very long back. So that is something that the street would be wanting, given the fact that the numbers were not great. Only valuations are still in favor of Hero, because they are trading at 21 times, while their peer Bajaj Auto and Hero Moto TVS are trading anywhere between 30 to 43 times.
You know, the thing with Hero Motocorp, that's my personal views, there are less too many triggers in the short term. After the listing of Ola, everybody would say, okay, Ether ka issue kab aa raha hai? Then everybody, I mean, they've gone on record and they've said that, look, the subsidiary of Hero Motocorp, which is Hero FinCorp, that also is going to be going public very soon. So there are multiple triggers which now add to that option value of Hero Motocorp. Also bear in mind that the stock has seen an extraordinary run-up. They've managed to reinvent themselves with a lot of new launches, so to speak. So it's no longer like an rural phenomenon. So new launches, market share gain, complete re-energize in terms of the supply chain and all the other things they've done. I think that in a sense are larger factors rather than just a quarterly number here or there. So of course, stock may have a technical reaction to these numbers because estimates were not, they were marginally below the estimates. But there are a lot of options value, like I said, a listing of Hero Motocorp soon, Ather subsidiary which may get public in 12 to 18 months, new launches and what's the update there. So these in a sense will also ensure that the downside in a stock also actually remains protected.